In this video, I will show how to fix games freezing in Windows 11, and this method will work in Windows 10. There are some methods you can try this simple and easy method. Open run command. So search here cmd. Run as administrator. Now search here sfc /scan now. Now press enter. So guys, it will take couple of minutes so complete this scanning, and once this complete you have to enter second command line. So once this finish, again open cmd, run as administrator. This time you have to copy and paste in the second command line. I will give both in description. DSM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and complete this scanning. So hopefully guys, using this scanning method you can fix and resolve this problem. Comment this video useful for you.